Divided basin multi-sink layouts let several people work at the sink at once without crossing tasks. For a big family kitchen plan, choose either a 60-40 split or a triple basin configuration to balance soaking, rinsing, and prep with realistic ergonomics. Place a secondary prep sink in the island at counter height that matches workflow so someone can chop or rinse, while another person handles dishes at the main sink. Fit a disposal on one basin and a dedicated rinse basket or colander on the opposite basin to keep debris contained and make dish cycles faster. Position the drainage and plumbing so the disposal has easy access, and the rinse side has a removable insert that can be lifted and emptied. Use a faucet with a long swing spout and a high arc so it can reach every basin without moving the fixture, and consider a pull-down spray with a magnetic docking head for one-handed operation. Plan cabinet storage below with pull-out trays for liners and disposal tools, and route plumbing so future changes such as adding a hot water dispenser or instant hot tap can be installed without major demolition. Pay attention to basin depths so they match intended tasks. Deeper basins suit pots and soaking, but choose at least one shallower basin for quick rinsing and small tasks to avoid strain. Common mistakes start with choosing basins the same size and depth for all tasks, which forces awkward lifting and reduces efficiency. So instead, pick a 60-40 split or triple setup to allocate a shallow prep basin and deeper wash basin. Another issue is putting all plumbing and disposal on the same side, which concentrates noise and limits simultaneous use. Distribute fixtures, so a disposal serves one basin while the other has a clear drain and removable rinse basket. A third problem is selecting a short, fixed faucet that cannot reach every basin, leading to spills and repositioning, so install a long swing spout with a pull-down spray to cover all basins smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for multi-sink solutions with local contractors who can quote and build these layouts, and we show real project photos and community posts to inspire choices. We also help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them join our discussion community so they can share tips and bid on jobs.